How to self-install Verizon FIOS router. Setup guide. So the first step is to locate the optical network terminal. The ONT is the Verizon box where the fiber connection enters your home. Look in the garage, basement, utility room, or an exterior wall. You'll need access to the Ethernet port coming from the ONT. Step 2. Connect the Ethernet cable. Plug an Ethernet cable from the ONT into the router's WAN or Internet port. Make sure the cable clicks firmly into both ends. Step 3. Connect power to the router. Plug in the router's power adapter and switch it on. The front LED should light up shortly after powering on. Step 4. Wait for the router to boot. The router may take several minutes to initialize and download updates. A solid white light typically indicates the router is online and connected. Step 5. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. Find the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on the router label. On your phone, tablet, or computer, open the Wi-Fi settings, select the Verizon network, and enter the password from the sticker. Step 6. Activate Verizon FIOS service. Open a web browser after connecting to Wi-Fi, and follow Verizon's activation instructions. You may need the order number, the zip code, and Verizon account credentials. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.